So it's very stormy today, so hopefully you're going to be able to hear me over the rain. I'm going to share with you today's sponsor, which is the wonderful Waterdrop. We've worked with them before, and seeing as this is a very watery themed episode, are you excited, Diogo, for what's in here? We have their under-counter reverse osmosis system. We've worked with them previously and shared this, and I'll link the video to that one in our description if you want to get a bit more information on this whole system. It has 3 different filters, and we put it all together under here, knocked this big hole through our wall which we still need to fill in. But I had quite a few comments saying that the problem with reverse osmosis systems is that it removes so much from the water that it's actually not good for you to drink on a consistent regular basis because you're losing a lot of the minerals that you get from water. I reached out to Water about this and they told me that they have a remineralization filter, so I'm going to add that now and show you us putting that. One good thing with Waterdrop is they have loads of videos online for putting things together. It is really easy to do, but I just think for some people, me being one of those, video is the way that I really learn and understand how things go together. So, oh, just in time, it does its little flushing system. So it has this, is it going to focus for you? It says in there and out, which is very helpful. So they do have a video.
Shear off the filtered water pipe.
That is really easy to understand that I'm using to do this. So first things first, with anything like this, turn your water off. Don't you, Diogo? Yes. I think it's this pipe, the thinner one, which goes from the system to the tap. Let me watch this video and check. So it's in between the under sink system and the tap, so that is this one. Now I imagine we're going to get a little leakage here. There is actually a user's manual in here. So in will be water in. So that should be it. There is a little bracket so you can attach it. Cool, so that's all installed now. It's screwed in easily with a screwdriver. One thing to note though is we're using well water, so you do need to test your water before you drink it, even when it is going through all these systems. And we actually took our well water to be tested today, but we took it in a big water bottle that we'd just thrown in the well, and yeah, the analysis centre were like, it's going to be contaminated. So they've given us all the sample bottles that we need, and we need to basically scoop the water directly from the well. So I think Jon's going to have to abseil in. But yeah, if this rain stops, we'll be doing that. If you're looking for any solutions to your water filtration, there's a link in our description below. We also have their King tank. That was one of the first systems of theirs we had. We collect our drinking water from a spring, but we still like to run it through a charcoal filter. Now we have this system, and once we have the test results back, we should be able to safely drink our well water and know that we're getting all the minerals back from it as well. So a huge thank you to Waterdrop for sponsoring today's video and also helping us to make our lives so much easier and remove one of those weekly tasks that we have to do and go and collect water. Yeah, thank you, and keep an eye out for Jon abseiling into the well. It's going to be fun.